Hello guys, let's check out. Hello guys, welcome back. This is my sixth app which I'm building, and I'm on my journey of building 100 apps so that I can switch from non-IT to IT. Right now I'm in a sales. So tell honestly, I hate this job and I want to switch to IT, but I don't have any degrees. So for that reason, I'm building my portfolio and understanding of the Android development. Like, and like basically, I want to become a top 1%. So yeah, now I'm creating a application. It's just a simple unit converter app. Okay, so I'll just hop on the screen. If you can see, okay, startingly, we start with a clean intro screen. Okay, basically right now it's nothing. It's just simple unit converter. On top I've given random logo, just emoji, and underneath there's a button, get started. Okay, so when I click, let's see, get started. Right now, it's just giving me only mutual screen. Okay, so we'll do one thing. I'll update right now because I've updated my code. So I'll just play like this. Then we'll play it. Okay. So yeah, let's see now how this looks. So what I did, I've centered it like select converter. Basically, I'm just like I have in my mind, I have the UI. So right now, I want to make it like I know it's very top. I'll do it like I'll do the spacing alignment properly. But yeah, and that too, even this, if you see the intro, like basically when the user will open the application, that time he'll be able to see the intro. And I want, as of now, it's very simple, but you know I want to keep it as an animation. So if you see, as of now, it's very simple. Let's see, I'll try one more time. Okay, unit counter. So I'll press. It's just simple. But for me, I want, as an animation, basically opening or opener, you can see. And thing is, I'm using MVVM architecture, that is model view model. Okay, and relative uh, so we are passing callback actions for clean and reactive UI. So yeah, so far it's working. I think it's almost now. If you see the time on the system is showing 12:40, I mean 11:46, but on my device it's almost 11:52. Yeah, almost similar. So yeah, I think I should wrap up now. So yeah, today was very productive day. Yes, I'll close this. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this. I'll create basically for this I'll create a playlist, you know, where I'll be able to post them on YouTube. I'll be able to post them on like in a journey way, like app name, and then I'll create a playlist. Okay. So yeah, thank you for watching.